I'm Juliana Potts, President and CEO of the North American Meat Institute, and we represent about 95% of the red meat production in the United States. Labor has been a challenge since before the pandemic, continues to be a challenge for meat packers and processors, and they're coming up with creative ways to both recruit and retain both skilled and unskilled labor. We have a significant issue with running our plants at full capacity because of labor. A lot of our member companies started to look very seriously at rethinking what automation could do in the plant. What's happening right now behind the scenes is a lot of design, particularly if there are expansions or new plants going in. And what we are going to see in 10 years will look completely different from the way it looks today.